Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a spoon in 3D using the solid surface command and solid commands in Microstation. First, we need to set our working units to millimeters. You can set it into inches if you want, but for this exercise we're going to use millimeters. Click OK. Now we need to make sure our view is set on the top view. Change to top view. We're going to use the place arc tool. Select start, middle and end. Select the first point. Key in 35 mm, select, and then estimate or type key in 10 mm for the radius. Now we need to place another arc here at the edge, and then make sure we key in 55 as our length. So now we're going to smoothly align the edges. We're going to place another arc from the edge. And then another arc connect with the handle of the spoon. Now we are going to place another arc. Make sure it's about 140 mm. This is for the handle. Now we have created the shape. First edge, we are going to mirror these edges. One side, select mirror. Make sure make copy is checked. Select the center. Now we have created the profile of this spoon. And part of the handle, we're going to place a small arc to close off our profile. Now we're going to connect all these points and then make it into one element. Now you can see it's already been created as one shape or one element. Now we are going to set the view to isometric. You can see it clearly. We are going to place or draw some lines as our reference. Copy this line. So just make sure that the line and the plane has been set to front, so it will be vertically downward. So we need to set the line. Copy all this line. Copy the line. Place it at the edge. At the end of the spoon handle and at the center. So this is our reference to create our profile for the path of the spoon. We're going to change the view to front. Now we're going to place the arc. Then another arc for the handle. Let's select mirrors. Select another arc, make sure it's outside the boundary. Then make sure that this arc is also outside. So least we can make sure that our profile is extended on the top profile. We need to change again the view to isometric. Now we're going to place a curve passing through this line and into this another edge. So this is the second profile here, and then we're going to place the middle arc. Now we're going to place another line at the edge as our profile. Move it at the center. We're going to erase all these reference lines. Now we are going to use the surface tool to make sure that these surfaces are created. Now we are going to create the surface for the curve that we have created. So let's use the surface by extrusion along. Select the path and select the profile. Accept. Now we are going to loft. Use the loft command to connect this point and then this point. So select loft, select the edge, select the other edge, then click accept. Now we have created the surface following the curvature of the spoon. We need to erase the line. We are going to delete the line first, our reference line, so we can set the profile. We need to move this profile closer to our sketch or surface. Now we are going to use this command, which is the trim surfaces by curves. So we are instructed to now we are going to use the trim by surfaces. Make sure it's orthogonal and then select split surface. Select the surfaces that we need to impose the profile. Select projection curves, which is the spoon. Accept to create. Now you can see that we need to set the display first to hidden. You can see that the spoon has been created. So we need to remove the edges. We also need to delete the profile and the side sketches. Now we are going to combine, or this is already one, combine or unite the two surfaces. So we need to select these stitch surfaces, select the first part and select the second part. So now it will be as one surface. We're going to introduce a thickness for this surface, so it will be having the feel and thickness of the spoon. So we need to go back to solid modeling. Use the solid by thicken surface. Let's put a thickness of 1 mm. Select the surface. Accept. As you can see, it has the edges with the thickness of 1 mm. If we need to go back and show it on using the smooth modeling, you can see the spoon with the material. We can rotate the view, set to rotate. Sorry, you can see that the spoon has been created in Microstation. Thank you.